What's going on, guys? So I just finished my video talking about this Hunter model from HEADesigns, and I mentioned that it has a lock bar insert. All right, so I want to make a dedicated video just talking about this very briefly because I do get a lot of questions as to what the purpose of this is. So this is a frame lock. All right, so the actual frame moves over, okay, and that's what locks the blade, so it doesn't move obviously. But if you notice, you see the screw here. The screw is holding a separate piece of metal. So I want to get closer here so you guys can see the detail. All right, you can see there's a separate piece in there. It's stainless steel. That's what actually makes contact with the lock. The purpose of having this in there is because the stainless steel and the titanium are different strengths. And if you had two different metals like this rubbing on each other all the time, all right, just from usage, from opening and closing it, you would have a lot more wear. It would wear a lot faster, and you would have rock lock and all kinds of problems, and the blade wouldn't lock up like it's supposed to. By putting these inserts in here, you can have the same metal. They're touching up against each other, so this way it takes a lot longer to wear. That's the purpose of a lock bar insert. It's pretty commonplace these days in higher end knives. So that's it. It's a pretty simple idea. Also keep in mind, if your actual lock bar, which is part of the frame of the knife, if that wore unevenly, it would have to be replaced. Whereas when you have a lock bar insert, eventually when that does wear down, if you have any kind of problems with the lock, you can simply remove the screw. They usually have hardware, so it's removable. And you can just pop in a tiny piece of metal that will fix the problem as opposed to the entire frame having to be replaced. All right, so anyway, that's the skinny on lock bar inserts. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you tomorrow with another one. Take care.